परिवहन विशेष, देश का पहला ट्रांसपोर्ट दैनिक समाचार पत्र।
I request Dr. Zishan Anjum ji to please address everyone present here. एक बार तालियां हो जाए Dr. Zishan Anjum ji के लिए।
Thank you, ma'am, for transferring the mic to me. Very good afternoon, one and all. Especially everyone on the stage and respected Honorable Mr. Justice Rajesh Tandon, former Judge Uttarakhand High Court, Dr. Chaudhary, Dr. Tripathi, Mr. Nitin ji, Dr. Adish Agarwala sir here, ex-President Supreme Court Bar Association, and we both are from the same bar as well and present here in the conclave. And I special thank to Mr. Sanjay Batla, Editor-in-Chief, Parivahan Vishesh, for organizing this conclave. This is the third conclave and has given us the opportunity to share our valuable thoughts on this platform, which will be memorable in future for all of us in our day-to-day life. Today I'd like to draw your attention because there are several burning matters today on which we are, all intellectuals are here on the stage. But I'd like to address only one, which is cyber crime. So most of our relatives, friends, colleagues, which are facing these types of problems in day-to-day life. We live in a digital era where technology has made our lives easier, faster and more convenient and connected than even before. So starting from online banking and shopping to social media and remote work, the internet has become an essential part of our daily lives. But with these conveniences comes a risk. It's a serious risk they are involved. The misuse of technology by the criminals nowadays. So we all are aware of the cyber crime, but there should be an awareness program in each district, states and national. So cybercrime refers to illegal activities we all know is carried out using computers or the internet. These crimes include several types of hackings we all know, identity theft, as our Honorable Justice, former Judge Uttarakhand High Court has already addressed the concern. So the identity theft is there, online fraud we all know, cyberbullying. So it's a major issue. Phishing and data breaches are there. Unlike traditional crimes, often it occur invisibly. We don't know how, when and it will be occur. And suddenly we got to know that we are in a chapter of cybercrime. Making them harder to detect and prevent. It's very harder. It's even harder to detect and also to prevent. So we have to take some actions against this. So coming on to the topic, one of the most alarming aspects of cybercrime is how easily anyone can become a victim. Simple click on a fake link, which we all receive on our day-to-day life on WhatsApp, email IDs, Facebook, Instagram and various social media platforms, as we all know. So what they do? So they use these platforms and they just observe our activity on the cybercrime portals, because we all are aware of the social media platforms. We are generally active on it. They observe, they take time and just observe our activity, when we are active, at what time we are active and at what time we are not active even on our social media platforms, and they use the specific time to do the cybercrime as well. We generally in this audience also and from us, we know that many of our is a victim of credit card frauds. Even in the night you will observe there is an OTP on your mobile phone while you are not active. Sometimes you see there is an OTP from the bank, or an OTP you have received on your email IDs. So cyber criminals are becoming increasingly sophisticated, using advanced techniques to deceive even the most cautious users, who are the most cautious users. So the impact of cybercrime is not just financial, it is emotional and psychological as well. Victims may lose their hard-earned money, personal data, or even their sense of security and trust as well. In some cases, cyberbullying has led to severe mental distress, especially among young people. So what we can do to protect ourselves is the matter now. The first step is awareness. We must educate ourselves, our society, relatives and friends about the common cyber threats and how they are operated. Never share any sensitive information, as we all know from the banks and several departments, as Government of India is also functioning with it. So never share the sensitive information such as passwords, OTPs, bank details, as we all know. Always verify the authenticity. When we receive anything on internet, in any platform, we have to just verify the authenticity, that whether it has come from a genuine place or not, it is authentic or not. So just go with that. And then only you proceed for the clicking the link and to observe or to proceed for the guidelines, whatever they are performing. So using strong unique password is also a method, and the main method is that we don't have time. We want everything in just a while. So it's my request to everyone here in the audience and also on the stage that please use two-factor authentication. This is the major I think this is the major fact which we all have to know it. So secondly, we must practice responsible digital behavior. What we do post online, is it genuine or not? We transfer, we forward the messages, is it genuine or not? Because it's also a kind of awareness. What we are forwarding to the audience is genuine or not, it's our duty to perform. So remember, the internet never forgets what is your activity, what we are doing, what we post online, how we interact with others, and how we manage our digital footprint in all matter. So government and organizations also have a crucial role to play. Strong cyber security laws should be there. There is some, and needs to be amended all. Strict enforcement and advanced technology safeguards are essential to combat cybercrime. So institutions must invest and secure systems and regularly update their defenses against emerging threats. So I will conclude my speech now. However, the technology alone cannot solve this problem at all. Cyber security begins with us, the users. A vigilant and informed individual is the strongest defense against cybercrime. In conclusion, while the digital world offers endless opportunities to everyone, it also demands responsibility as well. And caution, of course. We must embrace technology, but not blindly. Let us use it wisely, protect our information and stay alert. Because in the digital world, safety is not automatic, it's a choice. And at last I am ending my thoughts, and of course many more intellectuals are here on the stage to share their valuable thoughts. Thank you so much everyone, thanks a lot once again.
So I would like to express our thanks to Dr. Zishan Anjum ji for speaking vividly on cybercrime. एक बार तालियां हो जाए ladies and gentlemen Dr. Zishan Anjum ji के लिए. और इसी के साथ I may now take the opportunity to invite and honor one of our guests of honor on stage, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. R.K. Chaube ji, CMO NFSG Department of Forensic Med and Toxicology DDUH. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for our guest, Dr. R.K. Chaube ji, present on stage. जोरदार तालियां. Ahead, we would now invite and honor on stage मुकेश दयाल जी, DTO HQ. एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ सर का स्वागत करते हैं. न्यू नेम्स, उन सभी को यहाँ स्टेज पे इम्पैक्ट में इनवाइट करना चाहूंगी। योगेंद्र डागर जी, DGM साइक्लिस्ट, अशोक कुमार जी ऑन स्टेज, PPS प्रसार भारती, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए, प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर द गेस्ट ऑन स्टेज। अशोक सक्सेना जी, उसके साथ साथ मैं इनवाइट करना चाहूंगी डॉक्टर RS नेहरा जी। Would like to request Hetram ji to please join us on stage along with Dr. Monica Kaur from Delhi University, Puran Singh ji, Rahul Gupta ji, Mr. Ajay Shah ji and pilot Anil Sharma ji। मैं चाहूंगी इन सभी हस्तियों का यहाँ मंच पर तालियों के साथ स्वागत किया जाए। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, एंड उसी के साथ लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आज हम सभी के बीच में हम अभिनंदन करना चाहेंगे एक ऐसी हस्ती का जो कि हम सभी के लिए एक मार्गदर्शक के रूप में यहाँ पर पधारे हैं। वुड लाइक टू वेलकम श्रीमद जगत गुरु श्री ब्रह्म माधव गोरेश्वराचार्य ब्रत सिंह जी महाराज जी का सेंट्रल चीफ पेट्रन, सनातन धर्म प्रतिनिधि सभा मेंबर, सेंट्रल गाइडेंस काउंसिल, विश्व हिंदू परिषद। हम सभी के लिए सौभाग्य की बात है कि हमारे बीच में पूज्य गुरुदेव जी उपस्थित आज हुए हैं और हम सभी हृदय की गहराइयों से उनका कोटि कोटि नमन करते हैं और अभिनंदन करते हैं आज के इस प्रोग्राम में। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, एक बार तालियां हो जाए महाराज जी के लिए। नाम लेना चाहूंगी यहाँ स्टेज पे इनवाइट करने के लिए महाराज सिंह जी का। प्लीज जॉइन अस ऑन स्टेज, एक बार तालियों के साथ इनवाइट करते हैं। एंड पायलट अनिल शर्मा जी का, ही इज नॉट प्रेजेंट ऑन स्टेज, वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट हिम ऑन स्टेज एज वेल। तालियां हो जाए लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन सभी गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर के लिए। हेतराम जी, प्लीज जॉइन अस ऑन स्टेज इन द मिडल ऑफ द स्टेज। सर, आपका हम स्वागत करते हैं, सम्मान करते हैं आज के इस कॉन्क्लेव में। एक बार तालियां हो जाए हेतराम जी के लिए। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, बीच में मौजूद हैं एज अ गेस्ट ज्योतिषाचार्य हेतराम जी, and one of the eminent personalities that we have for this evening। एक बार फिर से चाहूंगी तालियों के साथ इनका स्वागत किया जाए, वेलकम किया जाए आज के इस कॉन्क्लेव में। For the conclave, इसी के साथ लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, मैं यहाँ वक्त की कमी को देखते हुए इनवाइट करना चाहूंगी हमारे गेस्ट को। सबसे पहले तो तालियां हो जाए ज्योतिषाचार्य हेतराम जी के लिए प्रेजेंट ऑन स्टेज। और मैं इनवाइट करना चाहूंगी हमारे गेस्ट मुकेश दयाल जी को। एक बार तालियों के साथ हम सभी स्वागत करते हैं, अभिनंदन करते हैं मुकेश दयाल जी का ऑन स्टेज, DTO HQ। तालियां हो जाए मुकेश दयाल जी के लिए। I may now request Ashok Kumar ji to please join us on stage, ladies and gentlemen, PPS प्रसार भारती। एक बार तालियों के शोर के साथ हम सभी स्वागत करते हैं अशोक कुमार जी का। I now take the opportunity to invite on stage our guest Puran Singh ji, मैं चाहूंगी एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए पूरन सिंह जी के लिए। And we thank him for accepting the invite of the conclave. I may now take the opportunity to invite on stage our guest राहुल गुप्ता जी। एक बार तालियों के साथ, इनफैक्ट जोरदार तालियों के साथ हम सभी यहाँ इनवाइट करते हैं राहुल गुप्ता जी को। करना चाहूंगी हमारे गेस्ट को योगेंद्र डागर जी, डीजीएम साइक्लिस्ट। एक बार तालियों के साथ हम सभी उनका इस्तकबाल करते हैं यहाँ स्टेज पर। Saxena ji, protocol officer, to please join us on stage with a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. चलिए हम सभी अभिनंदन करते हैं, स्वागत करते हैं अशोक सक्सेना जी का यहाँ मंच पर। Moving on, would like to invite on stage Dr. R.S. Nehra, one of our esteemed guests for the conclave. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. R.S. Nehra present on stage. Nehra के स्वागत में एक बार थोड़ा शोर हो जाए, तालियां हो जाए। From Delhi University to please join us on stage. We'd like to honor and acknowledge her contribution in the field of education. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for Dr. Monica Paul. Mrs. Rajesh Tandon ji, to please come forward and say a few words to everyone present here. एक बार हम स्वागत करते हैं Mrs. Rajesh Tandon जी का। एक बार तालियां हो जाए everyone, one of our esteemed guests for the program. With us for the conclave, सभी का स्वागत करना चाहूँगी। Would like to commence with महाराज सिंह, expert मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट एंड रूल्स। एक बार तालियां हो जाए महाराज सिंह जी के लिए। इज प्रेजेंट विद अस ऑन स्टेज एट द मोमेंट महाराज सिंह जी। मिस्टर अजय शाह को टू प्लीज जॉइन अस ऑन स्टेज, फाउंडर सीईओ वेद कंसल्टेंट ट्रेनर कोच एंड मेंटर। एक बार तालियां हो जाए फॉर श्री अजय शाह प्रेजेंट ऑन स्टेज। आप सभी से अनुरोध है to please put your hands together. Moving on, मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी पायलट अनिल शर्मा जी को बुलाना चाहूंगी, इनवाइट करना चाहूंगी here on stage. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for पायलट अनिल शर्मा जी present on stage. संबोधन करें यहाँ मौजूद सभी लोगों का।
परिवहन विशेष, देश का पहला ट्रांसपोर्ट दैनिक समाचार पत्र।